in this video, no, we're not going to be working on my Golf R or detailing or anything like that. We're actually going to be working on a more peasant-based platform, a GTI. Of course, I'm kidding. We're going to be doing Jeff's Mk7 GTI. It's a beautiful Tornado Red GTI that has about every single modification done to it that you could possibly think of for the MQB platform, ranging from a big turbo to suspension modifications, and then stuff focused around the idea of reliability because it's his daily driver. And we actually did this car about 2-3 years ago, give or take. We did a full correction, full coating, full everything to it, and at that point, it was actually pretty much fully stock. It had stock wheels, stock ride height, everything. So I asked Jeff if I can go ahead and wash his car because not only is it dirty, but it'd be pretty cool to have a video to show where the car was once before and where it's at now. And we're gonna get this thing cleaned up, look at the coating, make sure everything's in good shape, and then at the end of the video, when we do my ending cinematics B-roll type thing like I do every video, I'll show the process of like when the car was what it was at the very beginning through where it's at now. And that's gonna be B-roll shots of, you know, the first detail, whether it be a car event we went to, or another rally we went to, or a mountain rally we've been to, or Alpine Volks Fair. So sit back, relax, enjoy the video, and yeah, I'm gonna get back to working on this thing because it's so reliable. Alright, now that we've got this thing all cleaned up with BiltHamber, we can switch to a normal foam cannon and foam this thing down and start brushing up all around the crevices. And that brings us to the end of the video. Jeff's GTI, man, it's one of my favorite GTIs that you can kind of put together. There's a whole bunch of different builds and stuff on Instagram, online, you name it, someone's done it to a GTI. But Jeff's GTI is probably my favorite one out there. Beautiful tornado red on the new speed wheels. Doesn't get much better than that. If you like the video, go ahead and leave a like, and yeah, subscribe if you want to stick around. I figured this was a fun, short, easy video to put out for you guys of a really nice looking car while I finish up a couple of loose ends on the little MG project and get finished with the next detailed video. It's been busy, man. I'll see you guys in the next one.